Okay, good morning. Good morning, traders. I'm Ayla, and welcome to the opening trade. Before we get started, don't forget to first read and understand our disclosures found by both link and text in the description below of this video and on our website at theopeningtrade.com. All right, here we have our charts we will be looking at today. We could have the potential of 3 different automated trades going off today. So one moment. Our first chart is going to be the ES, which is the S&P 500 futures. This is a simulated account. Our current sim account balance, hold on while it gets brought over here, is going to be shown right here in the cash value column, which you can see is $24,509.18. That came from the control center from Ninja Trader. One moment. Backtest results from the previous 90 days are being pulled over to the screen now. If you look down here, you'll see what chart I'm talking about. This is the ES, which is the S&P 500 futures, and this chart over here says NQ, and that is going to be your NASDAQ futures. Okay, one second here. We have one more chart that will be brought over one second, and that is going to be our YM chart, which is, again, our Dow Jones futures. We sell all these systems on our website at theopeningtrade.com. So using these systems, we will possibly see all 3 of these trades live today on our charts. And that's what we're here to see in this live stream. Good morning, Bull Shark, and thank you for your feedback and input. Hope you liked the thumbnail. So we are getting a camera battery indicating warners. So if we do lose our camera today, we will continue to audio. I will still talk even if we lose my face. You will still see the charts, and I will still be talking about what I'm doing here. And so our charts, making sure they're all set up. So we have less than 3 minutes before we could see the first automated trade, which is going to be on the NASDAQ 500 futures. And we're going to be watching that. So now, in the few moments here, few minutes that we have. Let's take a look at the news. 1 second here. Today, welcome to Tuesday, but is it really Tuesday? It feels very Monday, Tuesday. So we didn't stream yesterday due to the holiday. Welcome to January 17th. It is Tuesday. Good morning. Please like and subscribe if you have not done so yet. Thank you for viewing. If you are a return viewer, greatly appreciate it. So we have less than 2 minutes before our automated system trades. So let's look at the news. What are we going to see happening today at 8:30 a.m. Standard Eastern Time? We're going to see the Empire State Manufacturing Index report come out. And then at 3 o'clock, okay, so maybe I can get the camera back. Not sure. Nope, we have lost the camera, but I'm pretty sure you can still hear me. So we'll just continue on. Give me 1 second while we fix the colorful graph bar thing. So we have less than a minute before our automated trade. So we have it on the correct chart. If the parameters are met for this, then we will hear the computer do its thing. 1 second here. We have less than 30 seconds. We're watching our chart. So if it does enter a trade today, it will likely be a long trade.
Order submitted.
Okay, so this is our automated trade. So we're watching this automated trade happen live on a simulated account right now. We're in a long position.
Order filled.
I hit close and I didn't do it fast enough. We did lose that one, so we're going on to the next one. I should have left it alone. That's what happens when you're not patient and you get froggy, right? Don't be froggy. Let it do its thing. We have less than 5 minutes to our next potential automated trade, which is going to be the YM and the ES tentatively at the same time if the parameters are met. So back to the news, since, I messed that up there. So, can't be perfect all the time. That's just what happens. So that's why I should just let the system do its own thing. All right, so at 3 o'clock today, Eastern Standard Time, the FMOC member Williams speaks. And then tomorrow for news, we're looking at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, core PPI month-over-month report, the core retail sales month-over-month report, the retail sales month-over-month report, will be coming out. And then at 9:15 Eastern Standard Time tomorrow, the capacity utilization rate will come out, and the industry production month-over-month report will come out. At 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the business inventories month-over-month, and the NAHB housing market index report will come out. The beige book comes out at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The FMOC member Harker speaks at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The TIC long-term purchases report comes out. At 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the FMOC member Logan speaks. So it's a big report and news day tomorrow. So what does that mean? For our news today. Let me refresh our news feed. So if we go back to the first automated trade we saw today, which is going to be the NASDAQ futures in a simulated count with live, it flipped and it wouldn't have closed in the green, so we are happy to have manually closed. So now we're going to look and see if our automated trade fires
Order
off.
submitted.
It sure did, but it was in the YM. So let's flip over to the YM. It's a short. We're watching it right now. It is not in the green. There it is in the green. We're going to wait and see if it can recover the loss from the first trade. So
Order filled.
we manually closed with a $50 profit after we recovered our $85 loss from the first trade. So unfortunately, the parameters weren't met for the ES2 fire trade today, but we did see two simulated automated trades go off on the live markets in this simulated account. And we saw a profit. So that's great. Let's take a look at the news here. Don't forget to read and understand all associated risks listed on the website and in the video description below, as well as you can find the information on our website as well. On our website, you will also find free trials to automated trading systems at the openingtrade.com, which you just saw two of them go on live right now on a simulated account. 1 second. Excuse me. Here is our YM performance in our simulated account. We started on October 15th of last year going through today. Here you will see our NASDAQ futures performance. Again, this is showing from October 15th to today. And we have one more for you, which is our ES, which is the S&P 500 futures account. Again, this start date was October 15th through today. So here is the updated NinjaTrader cash value on the simulated account you are watching today, right now, trade. So here you see 50 from up here is shown right here as the 50. And then you see the resulting change in the cash value. And if you look at the YM, it has fallen way below the daily low. The NASDAQ is above the daily low, and it is hitting the pivot point. It's bouncing on that, and then we see the S&P 500 about to reach, getting kind of close. You saw the white line indicates is that it did get to the pivot point at one point, pretty close. The daily low is quite low down there. It has not seen that yet. So for our news, what we got? We have to refresh. That's what we got. Okay, let's take a look here. It is the 17th. It looks like Microsoft's proposed acquisition of Activision Blizzard has been in jeopardy for a while now, and it could be hindered further. Developers keep the candle burning during the chilly crypto winter. I bet they are. Didn't we hear banks were dropping them earlier last week, week before? I'm sure they want to get as much profit as possible, right? Disney says investor Peltzer lacks experience to understand its business. Huh? Somebody doesn't understand Disney? What? And their business motto? Get out. Interesting. That's news. All right. So Apple launches new MacBooks, a Mac Mini in a rare January launch. So that's news, I guess. BDB Leasing launches a new financial product for MSMESs. So we'll see some change in the leasing financial world, I guess. So Greece's new 10-year bond attracts strong demand. Russia boasts Baltic oil exports in January. That's this month, if you haven't been following the calendar. Asia remains the top destination. Would that be because they just reopened? Probably. So Tesla's retail sales in China surge after a price cut. That's from brokerage data. Let's see here. Based on their brokerage data. Silvergate Capital reports net loss of $1 billion for the fourth quarter. Whew. That's 4 quarters in a row, $4 billion. How do you have that much to lose? How's that okay? Somebody stop the bleed, right? So, we've been following, food because everybody has to eat, right? So wheat's down 10 to 14 cents, soy is down 9 to 11 cents, and corn is down 3 to 5 cents. Personally, I love me some frozen corn. It's like my go-to. Hold on, we got a news refresh. We got some new news. Let's look it up. We're going to butcher this. Adani partners with Leyland Bollard to make hydrogen-fueled electric truck. Okay, so I saw something yesterday. Could be total, wackadoodle garbage, but they're bringing back hydrogen planes. What's going on? All right, so China is set to pull out a rabbit out of 2023 SAT, which is just hilarious considering it is the year of the rabbit. If you live in Las Vegas, I heard there is a giant rabbit over at the Venetian, so you can check that out. So let's see here. Fidelity-backed exchange OSL cuts workers amid ongoing crypto winter. TSX climbs for 8 consecutive season as inflation eases. What's the chart doing? Flip through these. Ooh, somehow our chart got scrunched. Let's unscrunch that. We're bouncing off the PP, the pivot point, the mustard line. Let's check our charts here. Give them an unscrunching. Sorry there. Looks like this guy stayed. Oh, look at that. He's chasing down the daily low. This gray line means it did hit it twice there. Looks like it's trying to find some momentum back the other direction, but it could drop right again. Let's take a look here. So we're near the top of the overnight highs in most markets there. Again, this last chart is going to be your showing the euro versus the US dollar with the euro displayed. The YM chart is going to be your Dow Jones futures. This is live. This information's all live. The NASDAQ futures here and our S&P 500 futures. So, back to our news refresh here. Give us a moment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the openingtrade.com for free trials to automated trading systems that you saw trade today. Our website is theopeningtrade.com. Let's see. Fresh news. Let's see. No. Hold on, I forgot where I was in the newsletter. Oh, here we are. Morgan Stanley is comfortable on headcount. Take market to loss. Takes Mark 2 market losses on Twitter. Why are they trying to bury themselves in headlines? Morgan Stanley is burying what in the news? Can't remember. Well, there's so many news articles. They all turn into one after a while, don't they? So the S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow trade mixed as the traders gauge the earnings, which is to be expected. It was a holiday. We saw here we go. We see some momentum on the NASDAQ. If you can't tell, that is the biggest green candle today. So while you look at that, let's refresh this here. We can see that it's meeting quite a bit of resistance at the 11,600 level because it's finding hard to pop over that number. It's not finding the support it's needing. Thank you everyone for watching. My name is Ayla. That's it for today. I'll be here tomorrow. Sorry for camera issues. We'll be on video tomorrow, hopefully. Again, thank you Bull Shark for sending in thumbnail art. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to read and understand all associated risks listed on the website and in this video description below. You guys have a great Tuesday. And there we go.